Som skrev till Forssan Kuulankuja 4 in Forssa. Staircase D. This was early 80s elevator before, so this was needless modernization. Or an escape. Or seal kept outside but replaced or modernized inside. Then 1978 and in 2018 it's 41783. Late 2018, so this is still brand new. Sixth floor. Four person 325 kilograms. This is late 70s and not early 80s. Modernized after 40 years. Inspected by Inspector, maintained by Kone. Sixth floor. Not smart again. When you are riding new Kone elevator and second fry right on the floor, it makes not smooth. Alright, if you go to basement first, then it makes it at the basement on the second right. That's